Welcome back. So we are installing a wig today. This wig is from Alimice. Is it mix? It came in this cute bag, but the bag was a little bit destroyed. Came by DHL. I'm always angry when the packaging is so cute and the shipping company cannot take care of it. It makes me go. Okay, so this is it in this box. Meet your beauty. If you have any question, please contact us first. We will make you 100% satisfied. Thanks. That is what is written at the back. High life luxury hair. Is it Alimice? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. Pardon me if I'm not pronouncing it well. So talking about this wig is a burgundy color, and the wig is 16 inches. It's 4x4 lace wig. It's burgundy color, red. Wow, see this. Ooh. Fire! Ooh. So one thing I like with 4x4 lace wig are very easy to install. That is one thing I like with them. Even if you are a beginner or you've been installing wigs, if you are in a hurry, I just like 4x4. I'm fairly in love with 4x4 lace wig because they are very easy to install. And one thing I like, in the front there is black, which means it's black and red. You can never go wrong with this. Okay, so let me wait so that you guys can see first impression. I like the length, really lovely. And one thing, even if you don't want to glue it down, you can just wear it with your adjustable strap, make it tight, and that is it. This is it. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. The direct link to it will be on the description box. Ooh, I love this. I love the color, the mist color. And let's see, there's nothing like shading. No, you see the way I'm dragging it. Okay, then smells so good. I like the smell. I like the smell of this wig. I like the smell. All right, so I just want to install this wig sharp. I need to twist from it. Let me do that off camera, then I'll be right back. So I created the center part.
What's your story?
I have to cut the lace from it.
It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the other.
So I'm going to bring some little hair out.
We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know.
So I'm going to use little styling gel just to lay the front. I don't want to use glue, so take styling gel like this. If you've been following me, if you've been watching my videos, you will know I use styling gel. Most times I use styling gel to lay my wigs down, especially if I don't want to, because I always say that glue they damage my edges, and you guys know I don't even have edges, so the little one I have, I need to preserve it from damaging. Okay.
It could be you and I want you now, 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 now. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La, la, la.
God, it's too short. Oh, no problem. I'm going to put little oil.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my
First of all, straighten it.
good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel much back between the joints.
Oh, my body is full with hair.
Keep on driving and driving.
I think it's cool. It's cool this way.
In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel much back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I'm going to use this. I'll spray it in my brush.
All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop.
So that is it for this hair tutorial from Alimice Hair. Like I said, the hair is 16 inches and is 4x4. So is this burgundy color mixed with black, and you know it came straight. I just decided to make it wavy. You can do what you want, you can leave it straight. I can as well straighten this hair back. So I'm going to leave the details about this unit on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. Okay, gorgeous, please, before you go, if you like it here, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, ciao.